Hello everyone. Today we do Hackerrank SQL questions. The name of exercise is Weather Observation 5. We do this exercise in Oracle. The main point of question: find shortest and longest city names and their length and ordered alphabetically. I write code with subquery. First subquery: represent length of city which smallest. But this code select all shortest cities and we need first city, and for this we use rownum command. The second subquery: represent length of city which longest. But here we use desc command. This command reverse order alphabetic. After writing code we run it. If it true, submit it. That's all. Thank for watching video.